Not sure if you blocked a movie or TV show on your Netflix profile? Sometimes content disappears because it was manually blocked under profile restrictions. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to check if a movie or show is blocked on Netflix using your Android phone. Let's get started. First up, open the Netflix app. Tap any profile. Tap the profile icon in the right side labeled My Netflix. Now tap the three-line icon in the top right. Select Account. This will open Netflix's account page. Now under the profile section, you will see Adjust Parental Control option. Tap on it. Now choose a verification method to verify it's you who's logging into parental controls. After that, you will see the profile maturity rating for Netflix. First, make sure to set the maturity level to 18+. Then at the bottom, you have title restrictions option. If you see that the show you couldn't find is marked here, then that was basically your culprit. You can tap on the cross icon next to it to remove it from the block list. After you're done, hit save, and that should fix the problem. If this helped you out, hit like and subscribe for more quick Netflix and Android tutorials. See you in the next one.